Are you tired of spending hours in the kitchen cooking meals? Do you want to enjoy delicious, healthy food without compromising on taste? Look no further than the Nuwave Duet, the ultimate kitchen appliance that revolutionizes cooking and makes mealtime a breeze. With the Nuwave Duet, you can experience faster, healthier cooking. By combining the power of pressure cooking and air frying, this compact and versatile appliance allows you to cook meals up to 70% faster while reducing the calories by up to 75%. Say goodbye to long hours in the kitchen and hello to tender, crispy, and flavorful dishes. What sets the Nuwave Duet apart is its unbeatable convenience. The removable lids give you the flexibility to use it as a standalone 6-quart pressure cooker or a 4-quart air fryer. But why settle for just one when you can have both? By combining the lids, you can enjoy the benefits of both cooking methods in one easy-to-use appliance. With over 300 pre-programmed cooking functions, you can prepare your favorite meals with just the press of a button. Say goodbye to complicated recipes and hello to effortless cooking. The Nuwave Duet is the one appliance that does it all. From roasting and grilling to baking, dehydrating, searing, steaming, slow cooking, and warming, this versatile kitchen companion has got you covered. The intuitive digital control panel offers 10 air fry settings, 6 pressure cooker settings, and 300 pre-programmed recipes, making it easy to achieve perfect results every time. Plus, you can save and store up to 240 of your own favorite recipes for quick and convenient access. Smart cooking features make the Nuwave Duet even more user-friendly. Preheat ensures better cooking results. Delay allows you to set the cooking time according to your schedule. Stage cooking lets you program multiple steps. And warm keeps your meals at the perfect temperature until you're ready to serve. With these features, you can enjoy restaurant-quality meals in the comfort of your own home. When you purchase the Nuwave Duet, you'll receive everything you need to start cooking right away. The package includes the base with a digital screen and easy-to-use controls, a high-quality stainless steel inner pot, a stainless steel reversible cooking rack, a non-stick FOA-free air fry basket, and removable air fry and pressure cooker lids. Additionally, you'll get the owner's manual, quick start guide, recipe book with 40 delicious recipes, and access to the Nuwave Cooking Club app with hundreds of recipes from executive chefs. Safety is a top priority with the Nuwave Duet. The Triac digital switch ensures precise temperature control throughout the cooking cycle, giving you peace of mind. Nuwave's SureLock technology keeps the pressure securely sealed, so you can cook with confidence. When the SureLock light is on, you know that the lid is properly sealed until all the pressure has been released, making the Duet one of the safest pressure cookers available. Operating the Nuwave Duet is a breeze thanks to its easy-to-read digital display, clear function buttons with indicator lights, and centrally located pause knob. To make things even simpler, the Duet comes with 100 pre-programmed recipes and 80 memory slots for you to add your own unique pressure cooker, air fryer, and combo cooking recipes. Just select the program you desire and let the Duet do the rest, ensuring perfectly cooked meals every time. Cleanup is a breeze with the Nuwave Duet. By reducing the number of pots and pans needed, it minimizes the time and effort required for cleaning up. Say goodbye to piles of dirty dishes when you cook one-pot meals with the Duet. As an added bonus, the stainless steel pot, air fry basket, and racks are all non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and hassle-free. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Nuwave Duet Pressure Cook and Air Fryer Combo Cook. Enjoy faster, healthier, and more convenient meals with one appliance that does it all. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to flavorful, perfectly cooked dishes every time.